like that. Children, you are having question number 3. Here also 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of heads occurring was noted as follow. So prepare a frequency distribution table for the given data. So children, here also if you observe, if question number 3, they give 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. First coin, second coin, third coin. So 3 coins are tossed 30 times totally they are tossed. So I am going to explain question number 3. So in question number 3, question number 3 I am explaining here number of heads, frequency, number of heads, frequency. So children, here 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each of time the number of heads occurring was noted below. So here number of heads, how many times heads are occurring was noted in below. When the first time toss one head వచ్చింది, second time 2 heads, like that. So you are having numbers here 0, 1, 2, 3. That means 0 heads how many times, 1 head how many times, 2 heads how many times, 3 heads how many times. So for this you are preparing a ungrouped frequency distribution table. So here first, if you children, what are the having frequency, 1, 2, 3, 2, like that. So where is 1 you are having? So you have to keep tally mark 1. This is here 1. Next you are having tally 2. 2 where it is? This is 2. Next 3 you are having here 3. 1, 2, 3 over. Next 2, 3, 1. 2, 3. Where is 2? This is 2. This is 3. Next triple 1. So 1, 1, 1, 3 times. Next 0, 3. This is 0, 3. Next 2, 1. 2, 1. So you have to keep 1. Next double 2. This is 2. Again 2 first term. Next 1, 1. This is 1, 1, 2 times. Next 2, 3. This is 2, 3. 2, 0. 0 means here. 3, 0, 1, 2. Next 3, 0, 1, 2. Next 3, 2, again 2. 3, 1, 1. So 1, 1. So children, complete tally marks carefully. After completing tally marks, you have to decide tally marks. Tally marks after you have to write frequency. So what is frequency? 3, 10, 10, 7. If you add total you will get 30. So this is how to prepare a frequency distribution table. So like that, question number 4 also you have to do it. Children, now I want to explain question number 4. A TV channel organized SMS in polling and prohibition of smoking gives options like A means complete prohibition, B means prohibition in public places, C means not necessary. Like that they give SMS result complete in 1 hour and they tabulated like this one, A, B, C, like that, and represent the data into a group frequency distribution table, and they ask some more questions. So children, so here how many here recorded like this? Option A given, option B given, option A given, option B, option C given. So total how to represent into a. So question number 4, they gave A, B, C option like that. If you prepare group of frequency distribution table for that, if you observe A repeated how many, like that, if you keep tally marks for A, B, C, like that, you take you'll get tally marks like that. If you write tally marks, do tally marks, or otherwise directly you are able to count means A how many repeated, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. A repeated 19 times. So directly write 19 problem. B repeated 36 times. So repeat 36 directly write. Next C is repeated 40 times. C 40. So tally marks. If you need write problem, otherwise write directly no problem. So these are tally marks also entered. That means otherwise you have directly A repeated how many times? 19 times. By counting also you are getting. By counting A how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that you complete. A 19 times, B 36 times, C 40 times. So after that keep tally marks. In this how many if you total you get so what they give here appropriate answers means what they give. A means complete prohibition they give. B means prohibition in public place only. C not necessary. So here these are total appropriate answers. Not necessary is not, provision is completed. Not necessary, this is not. So 19 plus 36 you will get how much? So if you observe 19 plus 6 and total, if you total you will get 65. So total you will get 65. So children, A 19 members is there, B 36, C 10. If you observe here C, how many times you got here? C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and somewhere is there 1. This is 1, 10. Totally 10 plus 10 members. So total 65. So here total appropriate answer is equal to 65. Majority people opinion B. What is B? Majority people opinion B. What is opinion of B means? B means prohibition in public places. Prohibition in public places. So this is children how to make this one. After making a frequency distribution table, you have to comment about that one. So this is the question number 4. Of that one, we are moving to discuss about question number 5. This is in the textbook only you are having graph. So children, by observing only, represent the data in the adjacent bar graph as the frequency distribution table they gave. So in this 5th question, this is a bar graph, you know already. In bar graph if you observe, so cycles are there, how many is there? Cycles 40, this is 40. Next autos how many is there? 30 is there. Next bikes how many is there? 45 is there. Next what is there? Cars how many is there? 25 is there. Cars 25. So if you have to represent this data into a tablet form. So if you want to represent the data into a tablet form, first you have to question number 5. Vehicles after what is that one? Number of vehicles. So vehicles what you are having? Cycles after autos after bikes after cars you are having, cars. So cycles already wrote, how many are there? 40 there. Next autos 30 is there. Next bikes 45 is there. Next cars 25 is there. So this is the group frequency distribution table. So already children, if you want the data is represented in the form of a tables or bar graph or pictograph or histogram, anything have to represent. Now as thing same for question number 6 also they ask. You have to also represent in the data. Class 1 how many is there? 40. Class 2 how many is there here? 55. Class 3 how many is there? 65. Class 4, how many is there? 50. Class 5, how many is there? If you observe clearly, 30. Class 6, how many is there? 15. Class 6, 15 is there. So children, now you have to represent into, this is also in tabular form. If you want to represent, this is also in tabular form. Question number 6, what you are having? Classes, number of children. Classes, number of students. So class, what are the class you are having? First class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class you are having. So fifth, sixth also you are having. So in first class, how many students are there? 40. In second class, how many students are there? 55. So you have to keep like this. In third class, how many students are there? 65. In fourth class, how many students are there? 30. So third class 65, fourth class 50, sorry, fourth class 50, fifth class 30, sixth class 15 are there. So by observing the data, you are able to draw the frequency distribution table. So this is the table how to draw this children. So for question number 6, how to write table like this by observing the graph that they gave, histogram they gave here. From histogram we prepared a table. From histogram we prepared a table. In question number 5, from bar diagram we prepared a table. Question number 6, we from histogram we prepared a table. So we are able to convert a histogram or pictogram into a group table, or a group table into a histogram or pictogram. Anything you have to convert that one. So this is the question number 6, children.